In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to monetize your site or just explore new ways to engage with your audience, adding AdSense can be a seamless and rewarding process. So let's dive in and make your Wix site work even harder for you. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Google AdSense account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a button labeled Get Code. This button is your gateway to embedding AdSense on your Wix site, and clicking on it will generate a unique code tailored specifically for your use. The appearance of this code indicates that you are one step closer to integrating advertising into your website landscape. After the code is generated, it's time to copy it. This will hold the necessary scripts for displaying ads correctly and ensuring that they function as intended on your site. Once you have your code copied, let's pivot over to your Wix website, where the action will unfold. Within your Wix site editor, your next move will be to navigate to the left side of your screen, where you'll find an array of options. You should see an option called Add Elements, accompanied by a plus icon. This feature is your toolbox for inserting various functionalities and visuals into your website. Click on it, and it will expand into further options. Now, you're aiming to find the Embed Elements option. This is key because you're going to embed that piece of Google AdSense code you picked up earlier. Click on Embed Elements, and then proceed to select Embed HTML. Inside the Embed HTML box, you'll finally see the area where you can paste the code. Paste your AdSense code into this box and take a moment to ensure it's entered correctly. Double-checking is always helpful, especially here, as it prevents potential errors from creeping in. Once you've pasted your code, click Update. This is a crucial step as it finalizes the integration of AdSense into your site. With your code successfully embedded, your Wix site is now primed to display ads. This not only helps monetize your content, but can also increase visitor engagement by offering relevant advertisements that cater to your audience's interests. And that's it. You've just added Google AdSense to your Wix website. By following these steps, you've brought a dynamic new element to your site's functionality, helping your digital space grow and evolve. Remember, as you continue to refine your website, you can always revisit and adjust these elements to better suit your evolving style and the needs of your audience. With these steps in your arsenal, you're well on your way to enhancing and expanding your online presence. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!